Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, vaginal defense is lost after 10 days of birth. Vaginal defense is lost after 10 days of birth. Ovary. What is ovary? Where is it attached? Ovary is attached posterior layer of the ovary is attached to the posterior layer of broad ligament by mesoovarium. This is correct. Then,
Hilous cells of ovary are present in the medulla, not in the cortex.
fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is actually surrounded by the peritoneum on all the sides except along the line of the mesopharynx. Except along the mesopharynx, it is surrounded
Mesosalpinx.
by the peritoneum. Then,
thank you and thank you for watching.